Hey guys, what up? Coach RT3. I'm here in Singapore, and today I'm going to show you some exercises that you can do with a short mace, a club, or a bouleva with a single arm. Level 1. Just hold it. Stabilize. Level 2. You're going to come across the body. Lock. 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 Level 3. Press. Back in. Press. Back in. Level 4. We're going to go without the press, and we're going to go straight into hold, cast. Okay, level 5, we're going to add a squat to this. Okay, so we're coming from here, up, Hey everyone, thanks for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, be sure to subscribe to my channel and click the like button and share with your friends across social media. Remember, work quality over quantity. Work at the progression level that works best for you so you can have a safe and effective workout. Also, if you'd like to support me, go ahead and purchase one of these shirts. I have the link in the bio below. And also I have these pants on limited order, so hurry on over and get them while supplies last. Thanks for watching.